Welcome, it's denome. So you want to do yield farming and get this high APY, but maybe you don't have any money, or maybe you have low funds, or maybe you just don't want to pay the high Ethereum gas fees and you want to avoid all of that, but still get really good APY. So there's basically two things that you can currently do. Number one is you can use centralized services like Hotbit or Binance. I will show them in this video. Or the second option is to use Tron Link or Tron Network to do yield farming on there without paying high gas fees. The gas fees on Tron Network are about like $0.01 per transaction, and you can get the same APY on Tron Network as on Ethereum. So I will show that also in this video exactly how to do it. So first, let's do the centralized services. So the first one is Binance.com, because you can get about 20% or 21% APY if you supply liquidity on the Binance Liquid Swap. So this is not much, right? So this is like the basic APY. This is not good. So you can do that, but the APY is this. The other option is you can go to hotbit.io, and this is I think they are Chinese exchange. They've been around for a while, so the chance for them to do a rug pull is quite low. But if we take a look at the income here, you can see the annualized return for DOT or Polkadot is 48%. For USDT is about 143% annually. And if we just scroll through here, Ethereum is 21%, SRM is 76%, UMA is 72%, ULU is 400%, Cream 41%, SWRV 37%, CRV 83%, and so on and so forth. You can also put DAI here, you can put comp here, you can put all of these different things here. TUSD, you can put DAI, you can put I think USDC here also, you can see here, USDC 143%. So you can do this, and they will basically do the yield farming for you. And because they use a lot of funds at any given moment, they take a small cut, but they don't charge any gas fees from you. So entering and exiting doesn't cost anything, but it takes about 1 day to enter and 1 day to exit. So I've been in this USDT pool for a while, and this one right here, and I've been here for, I don't know even, when did I start? On 23rd of August, so what is it? 10, 20, almost 20 days here, I think 18 days, and I've accrued $58, and I put here exactly $1,000, and I just redeemed this, so the funds have not come back to me, so they should come back to me tomorrow if this is correct, because I did already redeem these rewards and the money. So this $1,058.8 should come to my account by tomorrow. So we'll see how it goes. But as you can see, yesterday's income for $1,000 was $4. So this can be quite good if you trust Hotbit. So I don't actually know the exact risks here, but at least you don't have to pay gas fees. So if I were you, I would wait for me to get my money back so I can confirm if it's legit or not. So for now, I just wanted to make this video to show that so far it's been working, but for now I don't have the money on me because they don't actually pay this money to you. They hold this money until you redeem the whole thing. So that's a little bit annoying, but that's how it works. And the next thing you can do is go to Tron Network and do yield farming on Tron Network. And there are actually many protocols already on Tron Network. And the most popular one that many people talked about was Pearl.finance. But currently there are not any trading pairs here that you can actually do. TRX trading pool is coming soon, but currently you cannot do anything here. The next one is salmonswap.io, which is another fork from SushiSwap on Tron Network. But here you only have Salmon TRX, Pearl TRX, and Thai TRX trading pairs, which are all basically shit coins. So I don't want to hold any of these three coins in my portfolio because they could go to zero, and that's basically too risky for me. So Salmonswap currently is a no-go to me. The next one is Bankroll Network. You can simply deposit TRX here and get BNKR tokens as a reward, but the APY here was like 20% annually, so it's a little bit too risky for me, so it's another out. I did farm a little bit BNKR here, but the APY was just too low for me. The next one is Sun.io, and this is Justin Sun's own website, own protocol, or own system. So the risk that you lose your funds is quite low here, but you have to stake TRX and you get these Suns. So I don't know the exact APY here, so that's a little bit unfortunate, as well as you cannot get these for a while back. So it had like a certain date, I think it was like 20th or something, that you can actually get these rewards. So it's a little bit like not as good. But the best one currently on Tron Network is this Jackpool.finance, and I will talk about the risks later. But here you can have you can put money 50% on USDT and 50% on Tron or TRX, or 50% on USDJ and 50% in TRX. And if we just take a refresh the page, you will see the APYs here. So the APY is actually quite good, right? And the cool thing here is that there are no fees involved, and they have 21 million value locked in this protocol. And the last pool here is JFI TRX. JFI is the token that we are actually farming through this method. So I don't want to put any money in this pool either, because I don't want to expose myself to the price of JFI. So I would put money on only on these two protocols. And Jackpool, what was it? Jackpool. Sorry about that. Jackpool, they've been around since August 26th, so they've been around for a while. But if you take a look at these audits, the unfortunate thing is that everything here is in Chinese. So I have no clue what they're actually doing, or if this audit is even about the Jackpool or not. So you have to do your own research if you want to trust them. But they've been around for a while, and their Telegram community has 6,000 people here. And they say they did no pre-mining, no ICO or anything. And like I said, they've been here for a while. And on Twitter, they joined in August, and they have 6,700 followers here. I don't know if everyone here is bots, but as far as I know, the rewards have come on time, as well as the token JFI, which currently is valued at $575. It's listed on OKX, Poloniex, which are pretty okay exchanges, and at least for now, they've not done an exit scam. So if they wanted to do an exit scam, I would think that they would have done it already. So that's just my thinking. So now, how does it all work? So I've actually supplied money in this pool right here with 50% USDJ and 50% TRX. And as you can see here, I have money staked here, and this is my reward, which is available. This is about 30 minutes worth of rewards. And if you want to claim the rewards, you would simply click the claim rewards. But how this works is that you have the justswap.io page, and you simply, if you want to use this, the first thing you need is Tron Link web browser wallet. So you can download this web browser wallet through coming to this website justswap.io, and when you want to connect it, it will prompt up a question like, do you want to download the Tron Link extension, so you can actually do the transactions. Then you send some TRX or USDT here on your wallet, and then you are good to go. You simply swap 50% of the TRX into USDJ or USDT, or if you send USDT here, then you swap 50% from that into the TRX. So you can do the swaps here quite easily. So in my case, I have 583 here, so I would put like 200 because I want to have a little bit TRX for the transaction fees. So you would about half, a little less than half, trade into USDT, and then you go to the pool section and you add liquidity here to the pool that you want. And then when you have done that, then you can simply, you get the liquidity pool tokens as a reward from doing that, and then you go back to Jackpool here and you stake these tokens, and you click the max here and stake. That's basically how it works. So for me, if you want to exit this and claim the rewards, you simply exit and claim and unstake. By the way, the rewards from this pool were like $10 per day for putting $1,000 in. So I have about 50% in. Well, I will just show you. So exit and unstake. It prompts up this question. You accept it, and soon my balance here will update like so. And now what I can do is go back to justswap.io. I will refresh the page. And I can do this because there's basically no transaction fee, so I can play around with here. So here the money is appeared here, so you can remove the liquidity here, and if you remove it, you will get 50% in USDJ and 50% in TRX value. So that's how everything works. And because I unstaked everything, what you can do is the JFI tokens that you get, you can sell them here for TRX tokens, or you can sell these for USDT or USDJ, whatever coin you want to sell them to. So it's quite easy and good because you don't have to pay the gas fees. So this is basically the most profitable method that I know on Tron Network to yield farm currently is Jackpool.finance. And let me just, actually, I still have the funds here. So let me stake these tokens back so you can see how that happens. So stake, you simply accept this, and then they are staked. And after that, it starts accruing interest in the JFI token. So that's how everything works here. Would I trust a lot of capital here? No. But if you don't have a lot of capital and you want to get into yield farming, this could be a way for you to get in and get started without a lot of capital. So that's just one method you can do. And also it spreads your risk if you are already doing yield farming on Ethereum to explore options on Tron Network as well. I don't know if this will go anywhere, but I would never ever put any money on systems like Tron. Token is quite stable, and it's supporting the Tron network, and the TRX token, it shouldn't go to zero, but JFI token, it can go to zero, even though they want to be the YFI of Tron network JFI token. So that's just how everything works. This USDT TRX pool is basically the lowest risk pool that I've seen. I hope they would have a pool for like USDT and USDJ to even lower my risk, but this is the second best thing that I can see. And the APY is pretty nice, 1000% annually, or 1% per day, a little bit over 1% per day. Anyway, that's how everything works. I hope you like this video. I hope you understand the risks. If you do anything here, it's your own risk. Research everything you can, but this is basically my experiences. I hope you like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you want to get in on Hotbit or Binance, I hope you use my affiliate links, so it helps me as well. And thanks for watching this video, and I will see you on the next video.